Okay, okay, okay. Okay, D is a beast and I'm coming off the track. Yeah, you know it's me cause I'm coming right back. Hit them in their face with the motherfucking fat. Hit them in their face cause you know I ain't fat. And I'm standing on the track cause you know I am a dog. Standing on the track cause you know you was a fraud. Standing on the beat cause you know you kinda fake. But you from short north and you know you kinda gay. But I'm just saying cause you know I am a beast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 5, 11. DELL, I spelled LL. What you gonna say? Cause you know I'm on the scale. Yahoo searching. Yeah, I'm about to search it. Whipping in my car cause you know I'm about to dirt it. Hit him in his face cause you know I'm about to skirt it. Hit him in his chin cause you know I'm about to skirt it. And I'm saying one more again cause you know I'm coming straight like backspace and friends. Cap lock. Enter and stress. Yeah, you already know that dot next HLKN. You know me. I am a friend. Me and my dudes are doing it again cause you know I'm hitting raps cause you know I ain't a friend. Hit them in the sipping in the simming the simmer